Alright, budget Homestead 41. We're putting the lid on the roofing material, and this is the roofing material here. This is ASC manufacturing. I thought we'd do a video on showing it's pretty easy to install. Once you get set up and rolling, it goes on really quick. This roofing we used on the other garage and room, but what's great about it is for harvesting your rainwater, you know, it'll just run right down. And it's good for forest fires too. You know, if the ambers come, it doesn't, you know, catch fire too. And like the needles and shit just kind of blow off of it instead of like the asphalt shingles. But and then the paper we used is tiger paw, and they say to use this because in the summer this heats up and it'll cook the tar paper. So I went with this, and then when you start, you just put like a drip edge on the edge. And then that gets nailed down, and then it gets some butyl tape on the edge, because you come back and stitch some screws on the edges later, and that helps to give you a watertight seal there. And you overhang the drip edge by 1 inch, and the drip edge goes over the paper on this. And as far as installing, they got a great YouTube video. It goes step by step, shows you the valleys, everything, the ridge, and even on their website, the ASC website has a PDF file you can download, and it also gives you step by step, man, how to do it. And I mean, it's doable for one person. It's nice if you have someone handing you the panels up on the roof, though. I don't stack too many on the roof because we get some wind here and I don't want them blowing off, so I do like 5 or 6 at a time and then load some more up. But I'll show you how sweet this goes in. Once you get set up, it's pretty easy. So anyway, it's got like a snap seam. This fits on there and it kind of snaps in, and that's already screwed down. So that just fits over there. Then you come down to the edge, and you would measure, you know, make sure you have your 1 inch. I'm already set up so I don't have to, and that one just locks in. And you just tap it, not much, with like a rubber mallet, or you can use your hand. Push down on the butyl tape, and that sticks it, and then it doesn't slide, and you just work from the bottom to the ridge up. Oops, there goes my screw. And then that locks it in, and then you come back. They suggest you work from the bottom up when you're locking it in, so it doesn't get ripples. And that comes with all the screws you need, the butyl tape, I mean everything. You just draw out your roof, piece of paper, all the dimensions. You take it to the manufacturer, and then they do the calculating, and then they cut it all to fit, so you don't have to do any cutting. You know, it just comes, you put it together. There will be a little cutting on like the valleys and stuff like that. And it comes with the screws, and these are just some pancake screws. And so there's not really any nails, it's just mostly screws. And you just go up, like every one. I got a screw under there, I gotta come back and get that out. And you screw every one, and then that's how you fasten it down. And then the next one locks in over that, so you have no fasteners, you know, exposed here, which you can see we got some up, you know, it looks really clean that way. And then later come back and put the ridge on. So man, that's it. And the tools you need are just drill motor, like a rubber mallet, and tape measure, and you know, chalk line, and different, you know, snips, and some tongs for sheet metal. But that's basically it. I mean, yeah, I really dig this roofing style. So, and it goes on, as you can see, it's going to grow pretty quick. All right. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys on the roof. All right.